The first reason I want you to consider of why you are second guessing yourself to leave a toxic relationship is that you are afraid of what I call the short-term pain, right? And you know that that's going to cause some pain, it's going to cause some turmoil. Maybe there's some underlying fear about how they're going to respond when the relationship technically ends. And I say technical because a relationship ending in a toxic or narcissistic relationship is just the tip of the iceberg. There is a ton of aftermath that comes along with the breakup of a toxic or narcissistic relationship. It is not a normal breakup. That is why I offer the support that I offer, is because I understand that there's a big impact also with the aftermath of the relationship ending. There's a lot of work, a lot of self-healing, a lot of clarity that needs to happen. There's a lot of nurturing that also needs to happen. Now, I call it short-term pain because in my philosophy, the short-term pain can lead to long-term peace.